Welcome to the rolling finale, folks. Our first matchup is this. Couldn't really find any better matchup than this. So this is what's the tennis ball is going to be against a giant basketball. But maybe you could do it. 3, 2, 1. Maybe? Wait, it looks like it is. Judging by the look of that, I think the tennis ball won. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the tennis ball won. Let's go get our contestants. Our other contestants. Which is going to be soccer ball. Oh, wait. And this basketball. I think the basketball's gonna win, but I don't know. I honestly don't know who's gonna win the finale. All I know is one of the tiniest ones are gonna move on to the finale. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Starting off with basketball in the lead. Will basketball keep that? And it looks like basketball will. The winner of this match will get the official ball rolling crown. So let's go get them. I'm really silently hoping that the tennis ball is gonna win. But I mean, basketballs probably are heavier, but we'll see. So let's okay. Are y'all team basketball or team tennis? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Basketball already starting off with a good run. And it is going to be basketball that takes home the prize. So if you want me to make another one of these videos, like the video so I know that I should make another one. Until next time, this is the champion. If I make another, then maybe he'll be beat. Bye.